Atma Namaste, everyone. Wishing you all a very happy Dhanteras. Today, on the occasion of Dhanteras, we are making this money bowl, and I will be explaining कि इसमें जो भी ingredients जाते हैं उनका association क्या होता है, how this helps, आप किस तरीके से इसे बनाएंगे एंड ये किस तरीके से मनी बोल आपको हेल्प करेगा आपकी लाइफ में फाइनेंशियल गेन्स के लिए. सो आई एम सॉरी बट ये मुझे पहले ही शूट करना था, लेकिन मैं भूल गई थी और फिर मैंने ये अभी स्टार्ट किया है शूट करना. सो आई एडेड द राइस ऑलरेडी. एज यू कैन सी देयर आर सम ग्रीन grains of rice as well. So these are the money magnet rice which I have prepared earlier, जो मैंने अपने इस रिचुअल में भी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट जो राइस होता है वो एसोसिएट करता है द एनर्जीज ऑफ गॉडेस लक्ष्मी, विच इज़ द गॉडेस ऑफ लग्जरी एंड वेल्थ. एंड ऐसे ही आप देखेंगे कि हमारे घर में जब भी पूजा स्थापना होती है तो हम कलश में या अपने रिचुअल्स में राइस ज़रूर यूज़ करते हैं एज द नेम ऑफ अक्षत. एंड इट ऑल्सो signifies the energies of moon. So as you know that whenever we cook the rice it multiplies. So जब हम राइस अपने रिचुअल्स में ऐड करते हैं वो इस इंटेंशन के साथ ऐड करते हैं कि हमारे घर में या हमारी लाइफ में मनी जो है वो कभी भी ड्राई नहीं हो, वो हमेशा मल्टीप्लाई हो. With the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi, money always multiplies in our life. So while adding rice, after cleansing this bowl with sage or incense, you can say that you can chant this prayer or with a clear intention. आपका जो intention है आप उस accordingly affirm भी कर सकते हो that as I add this rice, I invite Goddess Lakshmi's blessings of nourishment, stability, or unending prosperity in my life. May the abundance multiply like grains of rice, always overflowing and never ending. Or it can be anything, whatever you want to say about understanding the whole intention of rice grains into money bowls. And then we will add our petition. This is the petition that I have made for myself, and I have written all the intentions in present tense as I have already achieved it. And you have to show gratitude for achieving all those intentions. So you have, after making this petition, you will say that thank you so much, universe, for blessing me with this abundance. And you can fold it into multiple times, or I just like to keep it this way. So I'm writing it. I'm putting this like this. And then petition actually इसीलिए भी लिखना चाहिए क्योंकि वो आपके इंटेंशंस की एनर्जी बहुत स्पेसिफाई कर देता है. जैसे जब आप अपने इंटेंशन के पेपर को रखते हैं तो it just gives a clear intention as if you are declaring it to the universe that you are ready to achieve or ready to receive, and you are very clear about your thoughts. As you know that where the focus goes, energy flows. Now we are adding some nutmeg powder. It is it attracts some sort of unexpected flow of money and luck in business, and it also protects your finances from your loss from the losses. And now we are adding this silver coin. Silver coin is the energy which attracts positive vibrations of finance or money or growth. एंड जो सिल्वर कॉइन होता है वो भी गॉडेस लक्ष्मी को एसोसिएट करता है. तो जब आप ये ऐड करते हैं इट मीन्स यू आर गिविंग अ क्लियर सिग्नल दैट यू आर attracting good luck and positive energy related to all the money matters. Now we will be adding some saffron. So saffron represents luxury, also loyalty and divine energy. It is also connected with the vibrations of goddess Lakshmi, and it helps to attract high value wealth with grace and ease. Now we will be adding some coffee. As you know that coffee is a very good source of manifestation. It increases the frequency of your manifestation. They ground your intention and it gives power, basically, helping your manifestation reach the physical world faster. Now, now we will be adding some bay leaf. As you know, it is having the high frequency, एंड ये बहुत पहले से हमारे एंशंट रिचुअल्स में यूज़ किया जाता है टू अट्रैक्ट द एनर्जीज ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट. बेसिकली जो भी आपका इंटेंशन है, बीट मनी रिलेटेड, हेल्थ और रिलेशनशिप्स, इट इंक्रीजेज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ योर इंटेंशंस. Now adding some star anise, as you know that it holds the energy of luck and fortune. It will help you attract um, good recognitions, good news, or some sort of good opportunities which are unexpected. Now we will be adding some cinnamon. As you know that cinnamon is the fast money herb. It accelerates the energy of manifestation and multiplies prosperity energy, and it will ignite the passion and drive for success. Now we are adding some cloves. Cloves actually helps in clearing out the negative energy of blockages coming in your way in achieving money. Now some cardamom, as cardamom attracts the luxury, the comfort, the high vibration, and it draws a wealthy connection and financial upgrades, helping you to move from your survival to the energy of achieving that abundance. Now we will be adding a pyrite stone. As you know that the stone pyrite is the stone of wealth and success, and here there are some Zebu codes, Zebu symbol codes and Zebu symbol drawn. It will help you to amplify the magnetic power to attract financial growth. This is a this is the stone which is very good for um the business. If you are into business and you are using the stone for business growth, you will definitely receive and achieve some good results. Now, coming to the main part, this is the money bowl, and now we will be placing a tea light candle. If you want, you can use a green, dark green spell candle as well, or any herb infused candles, which will amplify the energies of money. ऐसी candle जिसमें money related ही herbs हो. So now you have to light this candle and let it burn, and you have to burn the candle regularly. जब आप ये कैंडल बर्न करें रोज़, तो आप अपनी प्रेयर के साथ अपने इंटेंशन भी स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हैं, और जो भी आपने इंटेंशन सोचा है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चैंट सम एफर्मेशंस टू इंक्रीज ऑल द एनर्जीज जो भी आपने अपने इस बोल में बनाई है. अपने इंटेंशन की एनर्जी को इंक्रीज करने के लिए यू कैन चैंट द एफर्मेशंस, एंड ये आप 21 डेज के लिए भी कर सकते हो, या फिर आप फॉर 1 मंथ यू कैन डू इट, and you can choose the days, but do it continuously. अगर आपने सोचा 11 days तो आप continuously करिए. अगर आपने सोचा है 21 तो कंटिन्यूसली करिए, अगर आपने सोचा है 1 मंथ तो भी कंटिन्यूसली करिए. Do not disrupt the flow of the energy which is uh, going to attract the desire that that you are sending out in the energies of universe for your manifestation.